So I'm at Peel Road today. I'm trying this famous Nasi Lemak Jalan Peel. So let's go. This is Peel Road. This road here is actually Peel Road. It's a very busy road, and that is the famous Sunway Velocity. Okay, so I'm going to this Nasi Lemak Jalan Peel. It's actually here. It's just half a shop, so it's in between. It's beside the 40 shop, totally 40. And okay, so here are the menu, drinks, and the food stuff you have. For a lot of dishes, man, you can go with your nasi lemak. After you take, you can go in and sit. So these are the breakfast hours, 11 to 8. That's on Thursday. And the price list and drinks there. Okay. I'm waiting for my turn to order, but looks like a lot of stuff here. Very good stuff. Eat, boss. Oh. 哦，要进啊 ？OK。哦，我是在等。哦，OK。可以可以。Can I have a chicken one? Two. Two.
Two pieces.
One for my friend. It's already inside.
Together, separate.
Yeah, together lah. I heard your pork curry is your specialty. Take one pork curry. Put at the side. You have a small prawn, the sambal. That is a pork curry. Small prawn.
No small prawn.
No prawn. Okay, never mind the squid lah. Vegetable both. Oh, sorry.
Sambal. Sambal.
Yes, please. Okay. So how much is it?
32.
Okay. The payment, take calorie, and then can go already. So the place to eat is inside. Outside here you cannot see the place, but this is inside here. So this is how the restaurant looks like. Quite spacious inside. So this is the Nasi Lemak. This is Nasi Lemak. And I got this is the fried chicken, the signature fried chicken. The sambal, and I got a little bit of squid. Give it with some peanuts, fried peanuts, and this is actually the pork curry. Of course, the boiled egg must have cucumber, and these are also some veggie. This is long beans, I think, and cabbage. They don't serve nasi lemak here with kangkong. Interesting. I think the kangkong is for the Malay style nasi lemak. Okay, here's the nasi lemak. On first glance, not much coconut milk, so you don't smell it that fragrant. But never mind, let me just try the sambal first. Sweet, not hot. Now is the pork curry. So this is the pork curry. They have wild boar option also. This is pork curry. Pork curry here. Curry got flavor. It's enough spicy. The pork is also tender. Good. Good. Next one is the cuttlefish. The cuttlefish. I'm trying the cuttlefish now. This cuttlefish. Actually, this cuttlefish, you see outside, right? It's quite standard one. It's the one that preserved and then they sell like big cuttlefish. The only differentiator with this, how you cook this cuttlefish. Cuttlefish itself got no taste. So the only differentiator, right, is the sambal. It's how good the sambal is. Okay, I like the sambal. Next time I come here, make sure I must ask them give me more. Chicken size so big, see? I definitely need to use hand and show you. This is really good. I like this part, really. I don't like the wing. I like this. This is the whole thigh. White coffee. Standard 2 in 1, nothing to tell about. As expected. You come here for the Nasi Lemak, right? Not for the coffee. This is the whole thing, is it?
The whole thing.
Oh, okay. So now this is the mutton curry. Wow. Wow, mutton is really good. Better than the chicken. I mean better than the pork, sorry.
Yeah,
They don't have the chicken curry, better than the pork. The mutton so tender. No smell. And then the spiciness also okay, quite good. Not that strong, but I think it's quite good. Compared to the pork and curry and the mutton, I like the mutton. Okay. So if you are around the corner, just Waste Nasi Lemak P Road, you will reach this place. The problem with this place is that the parking is very hard to get. You can park at Subway Velocity and walk across, but please be careful. The road doesn't have a pedestrian crossing. Or you can park at NSK opposite and then walk across. Okay? I think that's all I want to say. I will leave the address and also the Google Map and other locations down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.